everyone. Hello, is anyone there with me? Okay, I'll wait for some of the people to join me first. Hi Sugandha. Okay, I can see a few people now. Hi Kanika. So I know it's been a long time. I have been teasing you all with my new critter sheets that I have been fussy cutting since last 2 or 3, I think 1 week. And I have been posting regularly and everyone is asking me when am I coming out with all that. Actually this time my printer really gave me a tough time, and setting up of colors and the sheets, procuring the rights to print them, it was quite a difficult task, and this time the sheets are very beautiful, trust me on this. Hi Archana, hi Anandita, hi Vani, hi Nithya. Thank you Vani. It's blur? Oh my god. I think the connection is a little... Can you all watch me properly? Write some comments. If it is blurred, then I think I have to cancel the live recording. Or should I just keep on talking and I will post the pictures of the... It's very blurred. Oh god. Hi Meenakshi. Hi Kriti. Can't see me clearly. What do I do? There is network connection here. Okay now? Okay, good. So let's get started. I'm here with a whole new range. First of all, before I start showing you the critter sheets, as you all know, I am introducing critter sheets. There is one more release. You have to guess what I am releasing now along with the critter sheets, and the one who guesses them right might win a chance to get the whole collection. All clearing. Hi Saila, how are you? Good. Thank God you can see me clearly. Hi Meenu. Hi Moni. Okay. Yes, so without any further ado, let me just show you the critter sheets. This time I have come out with a premium range of critter sheets. These designs which I have printed this time were pretty expensive, and so there's a very slight price hike in the critter sheets. It will be 120 rupees from now, the premium range, not everyone. The critter sheets which were introduced earlier, one with the blue line will again be the same rate, 100 rupees, but these ones were a little expensive for me to get them printed, and I do not compromise in quality and design, so I thought I don't think you will mind spending a little more on that. So this is the first design, if you can see it clearly, and this is the premium range band. So any design which is printed with the premium band will be 120 rupees. No, they are not dies. And this is the other side of the sheet. This is the first design which we have introduced. I think everyone can see it clearly. Okay, this is watercolor beauties. Then this is the second one. New critter sheets, everyone know I am introducing. I want you to guess the other product which I am introducing. Other designs of which product? This is Floral Passion. Okay, now this is Flower Frenzy. Can you see? The beautiful colors, very different. Look at the sleeves, and they are gorgeous to work with. I'm telling you guys, I'm going gaga over these sheets. They are so pretty. The designs are absolutely amazing, and the color combinations. Look at this. I have tried to give as many elements possible in a sheet, because look at this. These are all flowers. I don't know, I think there must be around 60-70 flowers in one sheet, and those many leaves also. So it is a complete package, guys. For 120 rupees you get a lot of variety. The birds are a rage right now, so here comes the birds for you. 2 variations here also. One more. I am in love with this one. I just played with it yesterday and tried multi-layering decoupage with this. It was beautiful. I will be uploading the sheets now on the website. I think by afternoon or so I should be able to do that, and then you are all ready to place your orders. Keep guessing guys. You'll have a lucky draw. Whoever says right, which is the next release. Look at the butterflies, they're so pretty. Can you see them? Hydrangeas, these are beautifully hand painted. All of them are hand painted. This is my favorite sheet. Here is the floral setter, and here I have tried to give you leaves and small flowers to match the same. This is also one of my favorite. This is star lilies, and they're beautiful set of flowers. Can you see the flowers? They're so pretty. Look at the detailing of the flowers. And again, here I have tried to give you so many leaves. Then I have accompanied some birds also in that. And last, this is one of my favorites again. This is so beautiful, guys. Look at this. Can you see this? So pretty. And last but not the least, this is 100 rupees only. This is the ready to color sheet. I'm sorry, I have a few more designs for ready to color, but I could not release it this time because my printer was really giving me a tough time. So I thought I'll just hold them back, and maybe I'll release in another 10 days or 15 days. So this is the whole release. I think I have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 designs in all. 12 are colored watercolor sheets and 1 is ready to color sheet. So Isha, I know you are loving them and you are hating me for not showing them to you the day you came here. Thanks Mani, thanks Himani. Himani, you wanted the butterflies and the birds, right? Hi Jagruti Di. Okay, I saw one correct answer. The next release which we have for today are the stencils. Yes, my obsession for stencils and making patterns with them will never get over. My 3D range is a real success all over the world. So this time I have come up with new designs. Even I love the birds, Devika. Isha, you know what it is. This is the first design. this doily is separate. It is in two parts. The doily will come out and the mask of the doily is also there, so that you can use it whichever way you want to. You can use the doily only, or you can use it along with the mask so that the ink stays within this frame. So this is the first stencil. This is called Swirly Doily. Then this is my personal favorite. This is the watercolor stripes. I created an envelope using this. I think I still have it here or no. I can't find it right now. I'll share it with you. I'll share it with you later. Okay. This is another 3D stencil. It is a 3D triangle pattern stencil. It is such a pretty design. It is such a... I will be doing another video with the stencil where I will be focusing on each and every stencil, how to use it. I will be coming live again with the stencils, and I will be showing you again how to work with them. Then this is another 3D pattern. It's a beautiful stencil again. This is a 3D shadow frame. This is another one. This is Floral Ambience. It's such a pretty stencil. Of these stencils is very good. The cutting, everything. This is my favorite. Play with triangles. You can do numerous things with this. This is such a versatile stencil now. I can't imagine playing with it more. I have already played with it a lot, and I think this is wonderful. You can really play with this and explore so many designs out of this. This is another one, Aztec. Can you see me? Is the video still live? Am I visible to you all? Please come on. Hi auntie. Hi Archana. Please let me know if I'm visible or no, guys. I can't because the connection got lost, so I'm not sure if you can see me or no. I'll just check on my other phone. Thanks Vinita, thanks Rashmi. Am I visible? Check on your phone now. Yes Mani, you can see me now? Okay, so I'll continue with the stencils again. This is another one which is favorite of mine. So this one is Aztec borders, and this is such a wonderful stencil. I do not have the samples as of now because in a rush I just wanted to make this video today to make this stuff live on the website, but I will be coming back again with the stencils video as I always do. It is surely gonna be a wonderful video. I will keep you updated when I will be posting it, and it will be not very delayed, maybe tonight or tomorrow. I think it will be tomorrow, not today. Tomorrow I will do it. And last but not the least, this is 3D flip over honeycomb stencil. This is again a very beautiful stencil. I know you cannot understand it like this, but trust me, I will be coming up with a live video for this. You will really love it again. This is another range of the 3D stencils, and all the stencils which I have made are in the square shape, are 7x7 size. It's blur. Anyways, I'll post the pictures now. I can see it is blur. Anyways, I will check the comments now. Whoever has guessed the second product right will win an entire set of stencils from us. And I think it was someone, Kanika or someone, I don't remember. I will check it once. Thank you, Vinita. Hi, Kavita. Kavita, finally your wait is over. Now you can place the order. The products will be live on the website in another 2 or 3 hours maximum. Kanika, I have to check. Don't get too excited. Let me just check the comments first. If there are 2 or 3 people who guessed it right, then I'll take a draw. Or maybe I'll split the gift and send to all of you. Thank you. I hope you like this release. ईशा, तेरे को कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. You knew it. You've seen it. You knew it. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So I will be live again. I think most probably tomorrow with the swatches of the stencils to tell you how to use them. Thank you, Jagruti Di. Thank you, Sahiba. Oh, hi, Sahiba. So I'll catch you up again tomorrow. Stay with me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll finish the video now. And sorry for the bad connectivity. I will be posting the pics of the critter sheets and the stencils now. Thanks. Bye-bye.